Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to add a plugin for your WordPress website. What you want to do first is log into your dashboard. Once you've logged in, this is what you'll see on your left hand side. There's a whole bunch of different options. You need to scroll down to where it says plugins and move your mouse over that. You'll see three different options. You want to go ahead and click on add new. Once you've done that, you see the little box in the middle here. Go ahead and type in the plugin you're looking for. We're looking for Google Font, and it's searching for it up top. That's the one we're looking for. At this point, all you need to do is click on Install Now. It asks if you're sure you want to install the plugin. We're going to click on OK, and it happens very quickly. As you can see, successfully installed the plugin. At this point, you're not quite done though. You need to click on Activate Plugin for it to go into effect. Once you've done that, you can scroll down and find the plugin. As you can see here, WP WordPress Google Fonts has been activated. Now, the way you go about deleting a plugin, you can't just delete it right off the bat. You need to deactivate it first, so you click on Deactivate. Once you've deactivated it, you can scroll down and you can see now you have the option to delete it, at which point you would simply click on Delete. It asks if you're sure you want to delete all the files for the plugin. You click yes, delete these files, and now it is completely gone. So that's probably the quickest and easiest way to install the plugin. However, there's another way you can go about it. What you would do is you would log into your HostGator control panel. We have a tutorial for that as well. Pretty straightforward. Once you're in here, you want to scroll down to where it says Files, this category right here. Let's zoom in a little bit here, which will help us. Now, once you're under Files, you want to click on File Manager, and you leave it on the web root. Click on Go. Now you are inside the web server where all of your files are stored. So once you're here, you want to click on the public HTML. You can double click on that. You'll see all these different folders. Now you want to select WP content. Make sure you click on the folder. If you click on this here, WP content, you end up being able to change the name of the file. We don't want to do that. We double click on the folder, at which point it takes you into these other folders. The blue ones represent folders, and this here is a file. Now, at this point, we would simply go into plugins. These are all the different plugins we have. All we need to do now is upload the specific plugin. Now, before you do that, you need to download it, of course. So, let me show you how to do that real quick. So, for example, we'll open a new tab. Perhaps you use Google. You're trying to find this particular plugin. We'll use the same one, Google Font WordPress. I should type in plugin afterwards, doesn't matter. You'll find the most relevant search, which is WordPress Google Fonts. So you can download it manually. Click download, and so ask, are you sure you want to save this .zip file? A .zip file is simply just a compressed file of all the software that's needed to install that. Click save file, and it just downloaded the zip file. So at which point we're going to go back to the cPanel file manager where we're at, and we want to go ahead and upload the file. Before we click on upload, we need to choose where we're going to upload it. So again, it's under WP content. Double click on that. You want to upload into the plugins. Now that you're inside the plugins folder, as you can see right here, WP content plugins, make sure you're in the plugins, click on upload, and all you have to do is click on browse. This is where you would select the file. I saved it on my desktop, so I just need to find it on here, WP Google Fonts.zip. Click on open. So as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, it is saying starting to upload. This won't take very long, and we'll let that go ahead and finish. Once it's finished, all you have to do to refresh the screen to see is click on go again, and you can see this little picture loading very quickly. think it's still uploading. Yes, we are 45% complete. So basically, again, to review, there's two different ways to install a plugin. Clearly, the easiest way is to use what's built in the WordPress dashboard and select Add Plugin. This gives you a manual way to do things. Now I think that's completed. Click on Go to refresh, and we're going to scroll down here and look for that file, wp-google-fonts.zip. So at this point, it's very important you understand we need to unzip it. So you'd right-click on the mouse, and you can see here extract. Extract simply means to unzip that file. If you don't have a right click, you can just highlight it, highlight the file, upper right hand corner, extract, same thing. It asks if you're sure you want to extract this file, wp-google-fonts.zip, to the folder plugins. That's exactly what we want. Click on extract files, happened very quickly. This is a breakdown of what was extracted. Now you can close it. Now that it has been unzipped, all you need to do is go back to your dashboard. After you log in, you click on plugins, and if you scroll down here, we will see that WP WordPress Google Fonts is installed. And as before, you would simply click on activate, and it is ready to go. So that is a breakdown of two different ways to install plugins as well as delete them.